Hi and welcome, chart artists. Easter weekend, most people celebrating Easter. I think Friday was a public holiday. Today also still a public holiday, and perhaps the reason why we are range bound. Today I will discuss with you what are the obvious long levels to watch out for a sign of strength to the upside, and also looking at a bearish case to the downside. And as always, come and trade with me. Go down into the description right now. You will see the first two links are the links of the exchanges that I use to do my daily trading. Bybit with an insane 20% reduction in your fees by signing up with one of my affiliate links. That's how you qualify for the discounts. Also, Mexi here with the lowest fees that I use for my daily scalping to the up and to the downside. Also, $20,000 bonus by signing up using one of my affiliate links down in the description right now. Let's dive in. Keeping the analysis very simple here, on the price of Bitcoin, you can see here from the 25th of March up until where we are right now, we've been inside this fixed range profile that I've pulled, where you have a deviation on the top and you get acceptance back inside the range. Another deviation, acceptance back inside the range, and also the deviations to the bottom. Right, deviation, but overall we are still inside of this range. So we're waiting for that volatility to kick in to give us that clear direction either to the up or to the downside. Keeping things simple over here, you can see we are currently outside of this value area range, and I would expect a sign of strength if we can perhaps, you will see I have a SFP level at this week over here where we dipped into it and we got acceptance back above this level. This was a beautiful long entry to the upside where you SFP, you grab the liquidity below the lows, you get acceptance back above the level, and also we are still fighting with this all-time high line that I have over here from the all-time highs made during 2021. Okay, so currently you can see we break down below it and we get acceptance back above this level. We try to break down again over here and we got acceptance back above the level. Now we are trying again. Will this time be successful to get a breakdown? And then further down here, I have a naked point of control. It is also extreme high volume node that I'll show you in a moment. And we also have a weekly level here that if we do find momentum here to the downside, losing the all-time high level, we could tumble down here, and the next stop where I see a potential bounce is when I zoom out here a little bit. There is a naked point of control inside of this consolidation area, and also when I switch on the VRVP, you guys will see we also have a nice high volume node in that area. Let me just zoom in here, show everyone. Right, so we have a high volume node here. We also, this is where we're struggling to break through a high volume node above. So we need to get acceptance back above this level over here, and also get acceptance back inside this range for bullish momentum to potentially continue and even come and claim $72,000 500 area. And we have another daily level here at $73,000 127. Also, we could find the strength to break up here to come and grab. Let me just zoom in here for everyone. Take the brushes out the way. Right, to come and grab the beautiful liquidity that lies above here. Okay, looking at liquidity, just to show everyone on the weekly time frame, let's just wait for it to load up. You can see that we have a massive amount of liquidity here at the $72,000 area. Right, so if we do find strength here to the upside, this looks like a beautiful liquidity grab, grabbing all the liquidity that has been built up above these highs for then either continuation to the upside, to even go further, if I zoom into the monthly, to go and grab all of this liquidity here by the $75,000 level. Right, and then we'll assess the price action when we get to those levels, but it looks like we might be able to find the strength to come and grab all of this liquidity before we see a deeper correction to the downside or continuation to the upside. Right, also looking at CVD, you guys can see, let me just zoom in here onto CVD, and you can see it's just an insane amount of bullish CVD building up here, and just, you know, higher lows, and CVD tumbling down. And this is potentially building up the strength for us to go and grab all of that beautiful liquidity at the $72,000 area, or even higher at the $75,000 area. Right, so for now, in a nutshell, what I would like to see is we need to get acceptance back inside of this range, which is also in alignment with the daily level that I have over here. Let me just take the VRVP out here, show everyone. Okay, we have a daily level here and also the all-time highs of 2021. So I would like to see acceptance back above these levels for continuation and a strength here to the upside. Okay, failing this level here, if we get acceptance back below the all-time highs and also these lows over here, to get acceptance back, we could see a bounce here where we bounce on this level for a retest of the scene of the crime over here for then continuation to the downside. So at the moment still range bound, and from a range perspective, just take the scribble out here, and then from a range perspective, just zooming in here for those range traders out there, it is as simple as you short the top and you long the bottom. You get acceptance back inside the range, you long. You get a deviation above and you get acceptance back inside the range, you short. Okay, so let's see how long we are going to stay range bound, and perhaps because most people are still celebrating Easter here on this Easter Monday, we could see volatility only starting to kick in tomorrow. Right, for my easiest trading strategy and also my trading edge, please go check out this video right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers for now.